Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and choosing the chat. Make sure the app has microphone permission, otherwise recording won't work. Position the phone and check ambient noise so your voice stays clear. Press and hold the microphone icon next to the text field. That gesture begins the recording immediately. Speak naturally and keep messages concise because shorter clips are easier to listen to. Once done, release the button to send the voice message. If you want to cancel, swipe left before releasing. Continue by recording with control. Press and hold the mic, then swipe up to lock for hands-free recording, which helps when you need longer explanations. Speak in short paragraphs and pause briefly between points so listeners can follow. This improves comprehension. If you make a mistake, stop and start a new clip. Clarity matters. When finished, tap the stop or release to return to chat. Make sure to preview the recording by tapping play, because quality or background noise might require re-recording. Finish by sending the voice message and managing it afterward. After tapping send, you can long press the message to reply, forward, star, or delete. This gives context or removes mistakes. If you need to add text, use reply to attach the audio to a specific message. Troubleshooting. If recording won't start, check microphone permission, available storage, and network. Sometimes a quick app restart or reboot fixes permission glitches. Make sure WhatsApp is updated, because older versions can cause unexpected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.